In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your font settings in Microsoft Word to optimize file size and ensure compatibility. Whether you're trying to save storage space, maintain document integrity, or prepare your document for sharing, managing fonts is an essential step. Let's dive into how to do this effectively. First, open Microsoft Word and direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the File tab, which you should click on. This will open a menu of options on the left-hand side of your screen. Scroll down and select Options. This will present a new window with various settings available to modify your Word application. In this Options window, find and click on Save from the list on the left-hand side. This section controls how your documents are saved and gives you further customization options for your files. As you scroll through, look for the section entitled Preserve Fidelity when saving this document. Now, this is where things get interesting. You'll see a setting labeled Embed Fonts in the file. This option is directly tied to how fonts are handled in your document. If you're looking to minimize the file size of your document and you don't specifically need to embed unique fonts, you'll want to go ahead and ensure that this option is unchecked. Disabling font embedding can significantly reduce file size, which is often crucial when dealing with large documents or limited storage capacity. However, if font fidelity is a concern, especially when sharing documents where the recipient might not have those specific fonts installed, you may want to keep embedding enabled. In this case, you'll want to check the box to embed fonts in the file. But embedding doesn't have to come at the expense of massive file sizes. To manage this, take note of a few additional settings. There's an option to embed only the characters used in the document, often referred to as subsetting the font. By selecting this, you'll only embed the characters that appear in your document, which can cut down on unnecessary data and still retain the appearance you desire. Additionally, it's wise to check the option labeled Do Not Embed Common System Fonts. Fonts like Arial and Times New Roman are typically pre-installed on most operating systems, so embedding these isn't necessary and only adds to file size. Checking this option ensures those fonts aren't embedded needlessly. By carefully managing these settings, you strike a balance between maintaining the visual integrity of your document and optimizing file size. This is particularly handy when sharing files with users on different systems, as it helps prevent any unexpected formatting issues. Remember, taking these steps can make your digital document management more efficient and stress-free.